Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to compare the power saving mode between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Mi 10i device, as you can see friends. So this is a kind of comparison between the both OS, like from the Realme OS versus the MIUI OS as well. So let's see friends, what will be the difference between the both of these smartphones and which has the better advantage in terms of the super power saving mode. So right now every phone they do have the two different kind of power saving mode. One is a normal power saving mode and next is the super or ultra power saving mode. So in this video I'll mainly focus on the second part, which is the ultra and the super power saving mode. So let's see what are the things you can access and which phone has a better advantage in terms of those ultra power saving mode. And just in case if you're wondering what live wallpapers I'm using, make sure to check the links in description friends. So for more details about the wallpapers, you can find all the links will be available in the description below. So let's get started friends. You can find the power saving modes in the battery section. So let me try to quickly open the battery settings. And so do remember friends, both phones they are having the different kind of Realme UI and the Mi UI. So obviously there will be a lot of differences between the both the phones, and all point of making this video is that just to differentiate which phone has a better advantage. So as I said, the Realme using the super power saving mode, and the Mi and the Redmi phones they will be using the ultra battery saver mode, as you can see. So these are quite a difference between the both the smartphones. So let me try to quickly enable those options to see what are the things, and let me try to start at same time, and they'll be asking this kind of message at same time. So let me try to quickly select don't show again, and let me try to enable at same time friends. So let's see which phone will enable first. The Realme did enable the first with the ultra super power saving mode, and the next the Mi did second, as you can see friends. So these are the quick differences between the both the phones. And the Realme phone, you can add up to 6 icons on the home screen. So just click on the add and you can add all the applications, any applications, games or anything you can add on the home screen. So it doesn't matter, as you can see. Even I did add the PUBG as well, and there is even WhatsApp you can add. You can add up to 6 different things like this, as you can see, 6 added. The same thing goes to this Mi 10i device. So let me to quickly add the Mi 10i's. So I'm trying to add the third-party application. So let me try to quickly add a few more applications. So you can only add up to 6 applications. So overall 6 applications what you can select, and the 3 applications as a default, I think in the bottom they will be there, as you can see. So overall you are getting about 9 applications you can access when you compare with this side by side. That's a clear difference. And complete change it to the complete interface changes to the dark mode, as you can see. Even in the notification panel, that's another thing you can notice here. So everything changes to the dark mode as well, dark theme, to save the lot of battery between the both the smartphones. And these are the quick differences friends between the both the phones, so where you can add and everything. But overall the Mi has one advantage, that you can add up 9 applications. That's another thing. And both phones are allowing you can add games as well to add on the home screen as well. But definitely the whole point of using the power saving mode is to save battery, not to play the games. So that's what these are the few differences friends. And definitely if you're interested to know how is a battery draining, I'll try to do a separate video on that battery draining test using this super battery saving modes between the both the phones. And for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.